Hi, this is Sally from Silhouette Studio Squad. Today I'd like to show you how to create a t-shirt mock-up so you can list your items online without actually having to make the product. So this is how I do it. So you need to go into Google, and obviously I'm doing a t-shirt. This can work for anything. Socks or hoodies or caps, mugs, but we're going to look at how to do a t-shirt today. So I've typed in free blank t-shirt mock-up, and I'm going to choose one that stands out, probably this one. So we've got a nice clean stark contrast of the black against the white. So I'm going to right click and copy that image, and then I'm going to pop on over to my Silhouette Studio, and I'm going to right click and paste that image there. Now I can just use it as that, or I can use the trace tool, which is over here. Open the trace panel, select trace area and trace it, and then just trace, and then we can take away that image, and then we can fill that in if we want to fill it in as a turquoise t-shirt or a red t-shirt. You can do it that way, or I'm just going to go back and show you how to trace it as the original item. So open the select trace area, go over it, and then you can trace and detach. So then we just take away the outline. You can delete that, and then you've got just the item you wanted. Now you could put on there, you might want to, I don't know, green background. So again, go to your search engine, and we want a free green background. And this one looks great. This is from Free Pick, so it's free to use commercially even. So we're going to copy that image, we're going to go to the silhouette, we're going to right click, paste that. Now you can see it's popped up in front of the t-shirt, which is not what we're wanting. So all you need to do is right click the t-shirt and bring it to the front, or you could have right clicked the green and taken that to the back. So we're going to stretch that out a little bit, and there we go. So on your mock-up then you can type whatever you would like. So this is going to say Dinosaurus, and it's going to be in love letters, loved by the king. That's a good one for a dinosaur. And we're going to have it white. There we go. So it looks, I mean, obviously you can take more time over this and choose your backgrounds more carefully than I have. So I'm going to turn this now into a PNG that you can use in your listings to sell online. So I'm going to press Command Shift and 4. I have a Mac. I'm not sure how you do that on Windows. And I'm going to left click and drag. Make sure it's quite central. Let go, and that will have gone into my screenshot. So what I do next we'll shrink that down. We're going to go to Pick Monkey and edit, and we're going to go right to the bottom. It'll always come up at the bottom of your screenshots. Let's wait for it to pop up. There we go. And then you can resize it. So Etsy sizes are 2000, eBay I think is 500, and then apply that and export and save it on your hard drive. So I hope that helps, and you can obviously do that with whatever you want to do. So say you've got a design that you want to use, you can transfer it. I don't know where I'm trying to look here. You can transfer it over. So say we want this one, I Teach Tiny Humans. We're going to right click, we're going to copy that, we're going to take it over to here. We're going to right click, paste, and we don't want that black because obviously it will clash with the black. So we're just going to right click, flip horizontally, fit to the t-shirt. There we go. And do the same again. If you want to save this mock-up to your library, the way you do that is you go to File and then you go to Save to Library, and I have a file here called Mockups, and then you save it here and you OK, and it will save into your silhouette library. I hope all that's helped, and I shall see you on the next video. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe, and ask any comments below. Catch you all later. Bye.